Hello, hi, good evening, good afternoon, good morning. The previous discussion has been conducted on legal system of Bangladesh with short course objectives for whom this course is suitable. Besides the lecture of content and how this course will be benefited for the peoples who don't understand about the legal system of Bangladesh. So let's start the lecture 2, which is the introduction part. Next slide, please. Introduction. Next slide, please. A legal system is a set of regulations that are often upheld by a number of institutions. A legal system is a set of regulations. This regulation is created by also the number of institutions. The institution, who are the institution of that particular set of regulation making, like the court, the legislature, the executive branch, its bureaucracy, the armed forces, and the police, the legal profession, and civil society are the most significant legal institutions who are upholding the regulation, who are managing the legal system of Bangladesh. The body of official rules and regulations that govern a society and regulate its member behavior is known as law. These rules and regulations are typically found in constitution, laws, court rulings, and the like. Throughout the history, the nature and purposes of law have changed because of the necessity. In contemporary civilization, the law is made by an authorized entity, which is called government. The government is also have a sovereign power. The government have a three organ, mostly the executive, legislature, and the judiciary. These three organ is as an authorized entity. Next slide, please. What is right? Right is the ability to do particular things or be in a specific state, or the ability to prevent others from doing certain things or being in a specific state. It is suggested that one man has the ability to govern other people's action with the consent and support of the state. There are two types of rights: moral right or natural right, and another one, legal rights. Let's briefly discuss what is the meaning of natural right. Natural right is also known moral right or inalienable rights, are those that are intended of a society or politics laws.